This is Solitude 391 DL. This unit comes with 2 entrances, with 2 bedrooms with queen beds. Inside you'll find a massive island kitchen, a pop-up TV in the living room, a warm electric fireplace, comfortable theater seating that recline with massage and heat, a standalone dinette table and chairs, a huge 4-burner gas stove, beautiful solid surface countertops with ambience lighting and real wood cabinetry, residential style fridge with 2 extra freezer doors and digital monitoring. Massive pantry area. There's additional bunk area on top of the 2nd bedroom. Full 2nd bedroom with a queen bed. Tons of closet and cabinet space. A full 2nd bathroom with a stand-up shower. A secondary rear entrance. A huge main bath area, complete with a sitting area. Top and bottom shower heads with a wand. Main queen bed area. Full walk-in closet. Prepped for washer and dryer. An extra bedroom drawer area with a secret compartment on top.